Welcome back everybody for another video by your boy Crypto Holger. Let's get this crypto. Now this will be a super short video. I just want to hop on here quickly, get this edited and uploaded because this is very time sensitive. Today a brand new project launch called Baked Beans. If you know, you know. This is one of those DeFi ROI miners paying out 8% daily. The earlier you get in, the more beans you get and the more rewards you earn every day. The last Baked Beans project lasted for, what was it, 1.5 years? Over a year. It's freaking crazy. There was a bunch of people who got very wealthy from it. So if you're seeing this video and you want to make some passive income, hey, this is your opportunity. The link is in the description. Hop into the project, get yourself some beans and start earning some BNB passively. I will make a new video tomorrow going over this in much more detail. I just want to pump this out as soon as possible so that you have a chance to front run everyone else. If you don't know anything about this project, I recommend you check this FAQ page out. Read through the FAQs and yeah, like always, none of this has been financial advice. You should always do your own research, never invest more money than you can afford to lose. Please like, comment, subscribe, check out my Telegram group, but most importantly, let's get this crypto. Ciao.